Oh man. Well, what's up YouTube? My name is Hunter Wilson, and I've decided to start a YouTube channel. I've been wanting to do it for a while now. I watch a bunch of YouTubers and they've kind of inspired me, like a bunch of DIY guys, and so I thought I could help out. I'm 20 years old, so it kind of give you like the young aspect. If you're like a teenager, you can do stuff, whatever age. But actually, this is what we're gonna be working with, so I'll show you here. It's a 2014 GMC Sierra. I got a few mods done to her so far, and we're looking to do some more come soon, especially since I just got off of school, and I thought, why not start my YouTube channel now? But actually, yeah, so it's not much, but it's a garage. I've never had a garage before ever, and we moved here a little less than a year ago. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to this garage. I know it's really messy right now, but I have a lot of aspirations for this place. But I just wanted to get on here and introduce myself and tell you that, I have some content coming, and I hope you guys enjoy. Just here to like help people out and have a good time. So thank you for watching if you're still here, and I appreciate you. Have a good one.